because seven-time All-Star winner, and it's Nick Dillon. Hits the wall, comes down the racetrack, and holy cow, he got on the side. And, oh my God, got upside down. Holy cow. First caution of the night. And for All-Star races, what Mick Newman said before in practice, he said that it's best to win the All-Star. It's best to win All-Star night with your car clean. And that's what these drivers are trying to do. They're trying to get their car clean as possible. Austin Moore, the Chicagoland winner, side by side with Earnhardt, and we got a problem. Earnhardt into the wall. So is Austin Moore. Caution is out. A second one of the night. Wow. Austin Moore will not make it to the flag. Oh no! Oh, got Evan Moore involved. Oh, we didn't flip over. Did Tristan Jarrett involved? Yep. Makes contact with Kyle Earnhardt, but does not flip over, but spins in the grass. For the 16th car, green flag on lap number 5. We are in the air once again. Luigi Vendetta, the 49 car, he is always in the back of the pack, but unfortunately in second place. NASCAR Fan 116 is also in the middle and the back of the pack, and he is also out in the top 10. Now, Joey is in the top 5. Yep, got him. He got him all right. Oh, yeah. Oh, Earnhardt just put Austin into the wall. Looks like Austin has double E's to take out. You better give me a break now. Crash! Oh, on his side goes Austin Moore. Evan Moore goes on his side. Oh, got around. Holy crud! He got into the catchments. Wow, that was like Greg Brown's crash back at California. Austin Moore better go in the pits with that kind of damage. No one wants to win with that kind of damage. No one wants to win with that attitude. So, if you wanted to get ugly, shame on you. That's what Greg Brown said. And he's in the pits. They're going to try to fix the damage. Filling up with fuel, tire changes to the 24 car. All fixed up. He's nailed it. That's Austin Moore's crew chief you're hearing. Here we go. Hunting for the green flag. Brendan Brennan led the most laps. I think he's going to win this thing. Let's see. Nick Dillon won All-Star race only one time back in 2012. And his first win took place at Phoenix 2011. For the 2005 Nextel Cup Series. 5 to go. Kevin Gillen never won the All-Star race. Even when, well, in 2002 he came in second place. And NASCAR fan 116, 66 came in first place. Because he made the pass on the inside on the final lap on turn number 3. But now I'm getting the cavity. Luigi Vendetta is our new leader for the All-Star race. Now it's going to be Joey from a push from Carl Hewitt. Turn number 3. Jeremy Tacos, the number 19, smoking and steaming. And Kevin Gillen was also involved. Got clipped by the 19 Dodge. Okay, if I were you, I would wait until the whole pack will come by, and then I would post it, so we won't have extra colors in the rack. Here we go, 2 laps to go. Green, white, checker, baby. Draymond Jr. and Carl Hewitt are battling for the race lead. Who's going to win $5,000, which is what I have to see. It's going to be the 48, the 97, or the 8. White flag. Draymond Jr. is the new leader, I think. He's trying to hold off the 97. There he goes. And the checker flag is flying. Draymond Jr. and the Lowe's Monte Carlo wins at Lowe's Motor Speedway and wins $5,000 on All-Star Night. There he goes. Draymond Jr.'s 8th win here at Lowe's Motor Speedway. Good job. First win took place in 2002. I found that kind of weird. Well, that rounds you off for the Speed Zone Cup Series 2005. Coming up next is the 2006 Nextel Cup Series, the Octane Cup Series. And that will round you off for the Speed Zone Cup Series. Spencer Newman, the Budweiser Shootout winner. Greg Brown, the Gatorade Duel winner. Spencer Newman, the Daytona 500 winner. Joey Martin Jr., the Auto Club 500 winner. Kyle Earnhardt, the Advanced Auto Parts 500 winner. Calvin Colby, the Batman Begins 400 winner. Nick Newman, the UAW Ford 500 winner. Alex Clements, the Food City 500 winner. Spencer Newman, the Pocono 500 winner. Austin Moore, the USG Sheetrock 400 winner. Julian King, the Subway Fresh 500 winner. Calvin Colby, the Ford 400 winner. Spencer Newman, the 2005 Speed Zone Cup Series champion. And Joey Martin Jr., the All-Star Race winner.